You know, most of us either have pets or are very aware of the relationship between humans and domestic animals. But what about the little creatures and critters that inhabit our world? The smallest of animals, and particularly birds. Winter in any shape or form is especially difficult on all creatures, humans and animals alike. The cold, shorter periods of light, and scarcity of adequate food and water make life a survival struggle. Simple, inexpensive, recycled, and even free items can help you make the difference between this life and death struggle. Bird seed is preferable to the last resort, which is bread for birds, because the seed can provide the nutrients the animal requires and plus aids in digestion. Crackers, bread, or any other substance that includes grain can be used but not substituted for the good old inexpensive bird seed. You can also endear yourself to those creatures by adding unsalted peanuts, sunflower seeds, grapes, raisins, and other dried fruits. The last and one of the most important and sometimes most overlooked ingredients is the giver of all life, great and small water. Safe and a continued access to clean, fresh water is as easy as simple as turning on over a trash can lid and filling it with when you are watering your garden or lawn. Or you can basically do what I do, which is basically fill up a container or bowl and cleaning and refilling it about every 3 days. So on behalf of all creatures, great and small, thank you and yours for your strive to make the difference between a quality of life and a surety of death. The benefits are many. One, you'll immediately set the amount of divergence of wildlife that is attracted to your general neighborhood and area. On behalf of them and myself, thank you and yours, and have a happy holiday.